Hi, this is Rubel from Tech Review. A printer in my office is connected to Windows 7. I wanted to share my Windows 7 printer to my Windows 11 laptop, but there was no way I could share it. Every time showing 0x00000709 error code, and this message, the credentials supplied conflict with an existing set of credentials. Overwriting the existing set of credentials may cause some running applications to stop function properly. Do you really want to overwrite existing set of credentials? After many attempts I was able to share my printer. Today I'm going to show you how to solve this issue. To fix this problem, click on the Start menu. Type gpedit. After appearing the Group Policy Editor, click on it. After opening the Group Policy Editor, under the Computer Configuration, expand the Administrative Templates. Click on Printer. On the right side, double-click on Configure RPC Connection Settings. Click on Enable. Under the Options, click on this drop-down menu, select RPC over named pipes. Click on Apply, and OK. Now scroll down, and double-click on the printer browsing, select Enable, click on Apply, and OK. Click on the Start menu. Type Service. After appearing the service, click on it. After opening the service window, find a service whose name is Print Spooler, right-click on it, click on Restart, job done. Now we can try to connect your shared printer. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please do subscribe to my channel. Also give a like please. Take care.